Before doing anything, you need to make sure you understand the definition of a chatbot, because knowing the definition will make you perform better in terms of creating the code. So I have put this definition of chatbots. A chatbot is a piece of software that is able to respond to users as if it were a human being. So it's not a human being, but we are trying to make it very smart so that it responds to users as if it were a human being. And what we can infer from this definition is that the more advanced the chatbot is, the better experience users will have. And I wanted to point out that there is always a room for improvement when it comes to chatbot applications. Because we are trying to simulate a brain of a human being, which is very complicated and very difficult. And you need also to know that every effort you put in your code pays off. So you can always improve your chatbots.